InboxDollars has paid members for completing online activities like surveys, offers, and other tasks. But whether it is worth downloading depends on how much time you spend and which activities you choose. By the end, you'll know how InboxDollars works, what types of tasks are available, and what to check before deciding if it is worth using in 2026. InboxDollars is a rewards platform that allows users to earn money by completing different online activities. The platform offers tasks such as surveys, watching content, completing offers, and other activities that companies use for market research and customer engagement. The main advantage of InboxDollars is variety. Instead of relying on only one type of task, users can choose from different earning options depending on what is available on their account. Surveys are one of the most common activities on the platform. Before starting a survey, you may answer qualification questions to determine whether you match the requirements for a specific research study. If you do not qualify, you may not receive credit for that survey. This screening process exists because companies often need feedback from specific groups of people. InboxDollars also includes offer-based tasks. These offers can involve completing specific actions, but the requirements can vary. Before accepting an offer, read the instructions carefully and check the conditions you need to meet. The amount of work available can change over time. InboxDollars is not a traditional job with guaranteed hours or a fixed paycheck. Your experience depends on your location, profile information, and the number of available activities on the platform. The best way to evaluate InboxDollars is to track your results. Create an account, complete your profile, try different activities, and compare the time you spend with the rewards you receive. Some users prefer rewards platforms because they can complete tasks whenever they have free time. Others decide the effort required is not worth it compared with other online earning options. Before downloading InboxDollars, decide what you want from the platform. If you want a flexible way to earn small rewards from online activities, it may be worth testing. If you need predictable income or a replacement for a regular job, a rewards platform may not match that goal. The main points are simple. InboxDollars offers multiple online earning activities. Survey qualification affects your available opportunities, and the value depends on how efficiently you use the platform. Your next step is to create an account, review the available tasks, and track whether the rewards justify your time. If this helped you understand whether InboxDollars is worth downloading in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online earning reviews.